Hi, Brian here with Stokes & Company Restoration Business. Today we have got a Kubota RTV-X1140 with a shifting problem. So a friend of mine, he wanted me to check it out for him, see if we can get it going. Start it up here, it's got 1,000 hours once you start it up. Then it shows you your miles, 6,000 miles. So we won't go into reverse. Barely goes into high. Neutral, can't get to low. I believe a possibility gonna be a shifter cable. That's not working properly on here. So shifter cable on this model. Pop the hood open here. Comes down from right here through the shifter. Is going to run down through the floorboard between the bottom of the RTV and the belly pans, and then it goes back into the transmission. So we've taken off the battery cover there. Case is already got out here and washed it off real good. You can see there's lots of dirt and mud that's come out from the bottom. It's gonna be nasty too when you pull the belly pans off, but I would advise doing that so you don't get a ton of dirt in your face. And if we bring it to the shop and pull the belly pan off. All right, so while we got it in here, we're gonna check over a little bit of maintenance on this thing. Air filter looks a little dusty, but according to Kubota, you can blow these things out. Just use low pressure air. Don't go crazy on your air pressure. All right, so that's blowing out air filter. If you really want to set your air pressure just right, there's Turks out here. Get you this off Amazon. Pretty cheap. Got a couple of regulators here. You set your set it down to exactly the correct pressure, and I'll share that with you from Kubota. Is what?
Wet over here.
Where?
On this thing. Whoa.
I don't think we gotta pull all these. I mean, go ahead.
Hey, you have to pull them off.
Okay, sorry. I've never done it. Kind of just lay them out with it. Alright, so we got the old cable removed. We gotta take this fitting off. Put on the new one. And this old one here, we weren't able to get in here and hold, so we had to cut the end of it off. So we've got this one on order. Won't be here till Friday, so we're gonna go ahead and do as much as we can to put the new one in and go ahead and do a complete service on it. It's a grease fitting there, Case. Look. Think it's gonna need some grease.
Nope.
All right, so we're back here. Gonna update you on what we've got done here. It's a little flap to pull up, access down in here to the front axle. That's where you fill it up. This thing holds 0.6 quarts. Got a drain plug right there. Front knuckles. You have to pull the tires and wheels off, and they've got drains at the bottom and top. They hold about a quarter of a quart on each one, but be sure and do each front wheel, front differential. Check the coolant here, brake fluid here, coolant overflow bottle. We're fixing to take all this out, wash all this off. Showed you earlier, we blew out the air filter, was good. Shift the cable. Got it all hooked back up. Got all of our adjustment done. Shifts properly. Some more piles of the dirt that we've been cleaning out from under this thing. Got it a whole lot cleaner than it was. Got up there in the front drive shaft, got it cleaned up. There's the new shift cable. There it is. We'll do some more cleaning on it. HST filter, hydraulic filter, both changed. Transmission changed. Transmission holds 1.8 gallons, almost 2 gallons. Fuel filter bracket's been removed, changed to the fuel filter. It does have a shut-off valve in there, so when you pull it off, it won't drain all your fuel out of your tank. Once you put it back up, it'll fill up the reservoir. Make sure it does fill up the reservoir. That means you got good flow coming from your tank. And so here goes for your hydraulic dump bed, if you have that, and also ties into your power steering. This tank here holds approximately 4 gallons. Underneath here, it's your drain. That's your suction line. There's your screen in there. Just drain out the fluid. Now we're gonna pull the jack stands out from under it, take it out there, give it the final wash, and test drive it. Alright, so we got the final wash done, got this thing cleaned up, looking good for my friend. We've got the complete service done on it. Hopefully this has helped y'all out. If you got any comments, just throw a comment down there. Let us know if this helped you. Again, we're here to help you so that you can do these things yourself and just be the helpful neighbor, and God bless y'all. Thank you.